Welcome to EcoWellness Journeys. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, stressed, or disconnected from the present moment, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying grounded and fully engaged in our lives can be challenging. We're constantly bombarded with information, pulled in multiple directions, and often feel like there's not enough time in the day to just be. That's where mindfulness comes in, a practice that allows us to slow down, reconnect with ourselves, and find a sense of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. In today's video, we're going to explore the transformative practice of mindfulness. Whether you're entirely new to mindfulness and curious about what it involves, or you're someone looking to deepen your practice and understanding, this video is designed with you in mind. We'll break down the essentials: what mindfulness means, why it's so important, and how you can start incorporating it into your daily life to enhance your well-being and peace of mind. So, whether you're at the beginning of your mindfulness journey or looking to refine your practice, let's dive in together. We'll discover how mindfulness can bring more presence, awareness, and serenity into your life, helping you to live each moment more fully. So, what exactly is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment, without judgment. It's about developing a heightened awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings in a way that's both intentional and compassionate. But what does that really mean in our day-to-day lives? Imagine living each moment with a sense of openness and curiosity. Instead of reacting to situations out of habit or impulse, mindfulness invites you to pause, observe, and respond with greater clarity and calmness. It means observing your experiences as they unfold, whether pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, without getting caught up in them or trying to change them. Mindfulness is not about trying to control your thoughts or emotions. Instead, it's about accepting them as they are, without attaching labels like good or bad. It's about creating a space between you and your reactions, allowing you to respond to situations with more clarity and intentionality, rather than being swept away by them. For example, you can practice mindfulness while eating, walking, or even brushing your teeth. It's all about being fully present in whatever you're doing, paying attention to the sensations, thoughts, and feelings that arise in each moment. Imagine savoring each bite of your meal, feeling the ground beneath your feet as you walk, or noticing the texture of your toothbrush as you clean your teeth. These simple practices can help you cultivate a more profound connection to the present moment and, ultimately, to your life as a whole. Mindfulness offers numerous benefits, particularly in today's fast-paced and often stressful world. Practicing mindfulness can create a buffer between yourself and daily life stressors. One of the most immediate and impactful benefits of mindfulness is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. When you practice being present, you give yourself permission to step out of the whirlwind of thoughts, worries, and to-do lists, focusing instead on what is happening right now, in this very moment. This shift in focus can bring about a profound sense of peace and relaxation. Mindfulness can also improve your focus and concentration. In a world filled with distractions and the constant demand for multitasking, mindfulness helps you train your attention. It allows you to stay more engaged and productive in whatever you do. This enhanced focus doesn't just apply to work or study. It can also improve your ability to enjoy and fully participate in leisure activities, relationships, and other aspects of your life, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced existence. Another powerful benefit of mindfulness is its impact on emotional regulation. By becoming more aware of your emotions as they arise, you can learn to respond to them in a more balanced and thoughtful way, rather than reacting impulsively. This can lead to improved relationships, better decision-making, and greater control over your life. Imagine navigating difficult conversations or challenging situations calmly and clearly, rather than being driven by stress or anger. Finally, mindfulness promotes overall well-being. By bringing more presence and awareness into your daily life, you can cultivate the peace, contentment, and fulfillment that comes from truly living in the moment. These benefits make mindfulness a powerful tool for navigating the challenges of daily life, helping you to not only cope with stress, but also to thrive. With mindfulness, you're not just surviving the day-to-day grind. You're embracing life in its fullness, with all its ups and downs. Practicing mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. The beauty of mindfulness lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You can begin with just a few minutes a day and gradually build from there. Here's how you can get started on your journey toward a more mindful life. First, set aside 5 to 10 minutes daily for your mindfulness practice. You don't need a lot of time. What's most important is consistency. Mindfulness is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. Choose a time when you can practice regularly, whether in the morning to set a peaceful tone for your day, during a break to reset and refocus, or before bed to unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Next, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't need to be a special meditation room. Anywhere you feel comfortable quietly sitting or standing will do. The goal is to create an environment where you can turn your attention inward, away from the distractions of daily life. Sit down or stand comfortably, close your eyes if it helps, and take a few deep breaths to settle into the moment. Feel the breath entering and leaving your body, allowing yourself to be fully present. Now, choose a point of focus for your attention. You could focus on your breath, a simple object like a candle flame, a flower, or even the sounds around you. Gently bring your attention to this focus, and whenever your mind wanders, as it most likely will, simply notice that it has wandered and gently bring your attention back to your chosen focus point. The goal is not to stop your thoughts, but to observe them without getting caught up in them. Think of your thoughts as passing clouds in the sky. They come and go, but you don't need to chase after them. As thoughts, emotions, or sensations arise, Observe them without judgment. You can imagine your thoughts as bubbles rising to the surface of a still pond. They appear, float for a moment, and then gently dissolve. You acknowledge them, but you don't need to engage with or analyze them. This practice of non-judgmental awareness is vital to mindfulness. It teaches you to accept whatever arises in your mind with compassion and without resistance, which can lead to a profound sense of inner peace. Remember, the key to mindfulness is consistency. Show up for yourself each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, you'll likely find that these few minutes become something you look forward to, a peaceful oasis in your day. As your practice deepens, you may notice that mindfulness infuses other areas of your life, helping you navigate challenges with greater ease and grace. Here are a few simple mindfulness exercises to get you started on your journey. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, and are perfect for beginners. They're designed to help you cultivate a deeper sense of presence and awareness in your daily life. Breathing meditation is one of the simplest and most effective mindfulness practices. Start by focusing on your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest or belly with each breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice helps anchor you in the present moment and can be incredibly calming, especially during stressful times. The body scan is a great way to connect with your body and release tension. Begin by focusing your attention on your toes, noticing any sensations, whether warmth, coolness, tension, or relaxation. Gradually move your attention up through your body, your feet, legs, torso, arms, hands, neck, and head. Pay close attention to how each part feels. This exercise can be especially helpful before bed, as it promotes relaxation and body awareness, helping you to unwind and prepare for sleep. The mindful observation exercise involves choosing an object in your environment, such as a leaf, a flower, or even a cup, and observing it closely. Notice its color, shape, texture, and other details you might typically overlook. Try to engage all your senses. What does it look like, feel, and even smell like? This simple practice can help you cultivate a more profound appreciation for the world around you and can be a great way to bring mindfulness into your everyday activities. It's a reminder that beauty and wonder are all around us. All we have to do is take the time to notice. These practices help ground you in the present moment and cultivate a more profound sense of awareness. They are simple yet powerful tools that you can use to bring more mindfulness into your life, even on the busiest of days. Whether at work, home, or out in nature, these exercises can help you reconnect with yourself and the world around you, one mindful moment at a time. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can significantly improve your life. By starting small and incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you'll begin to experience its many benefits, from reducing stress and improving focus to cultivating a deeper appreciation for the present. Mindfulness has the potential to transform the way you experience the world. It's not about reaching some ideal state of peace or calm, but about engaging with life as it is, with all its ups and downs. It allows you to approach challenges with a clearer mind and a more balanced perspective. Remember, the journey of mindfulness is a personal one, and there's no right or wrong way to practice. What's important is that you take the first step and allow yourself the time and space to explore what mindfulness means for you. As you continue on this path, mindfulness becomes an integral part of your life, bringing you more peace, clarity, and fulfillment. We encourage you to start your mindfulness journey today. It doesn't require any special equipment or training, just a willingness to be present and open to the moment. Over time, mindfulness may become an essential part of your daily routine, helping you navigate life with greater ease and joy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to EcoWellness Journeys for more tips on mindfulness, wellness, and the intimate connection between humans and the planet we call home. Let's embark on this journey together, one mindful moment at a time.